Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Fall Guys when it won't launch on your PC. So are you having an issue with Fall Guys on your PC and when you select it, it doesn't launch? Well, I'm going to show you some possible solutions to fix this. So just open Epic Games Launcher. Go over the library. Then find Fall Guys, and go to these three dots and select this. Then go to Manage. Now under here go to Verify Files. And if you have any kind of missing files, they should go ahead and just re-download those and you should be good to go. I don't have any files missing. Go back on over to Manage now. And then go to Installation right here. And then go to Open Install Location. And it's going to open up the files for Fall Guys. Now find the Fall Guys client. Then right-click on this. And then go on over to Properties. Now go on over to Compatibility. And then go check to run this program as administrator and disable full screen optimization. And then go to Apply and OK. Do the same for Fall Guys Launcher. Now another thing you can do under the Epic Games Launcher is by going back to and then try uninstalling the game, and then reinstalling it back to your computer. Now let's go ahead and try updating our graphics card. On Start menu search for Device Manager. Let's go on over to Display Adapters. Then here's our graphics card. Then right-click on this. And then go to Update Driver. And go to Search automatically for drivers. And then if nothing happens under here, it says I have the best drivers for my device. Go to Search for Update Drivers on Windows Update. And just update your computer and check for any kind of updates. I hope some of these solutions that I showed you works for you.